Hello, Bison Band. Today we're going to be identifying notes on the bass clef staff. Now, this is a continuation of activities we've done in levels 1 and 2. This on level 3 now includes a 1,000-second time limit, which means that you're going to have to answer a note about every 10 seconds to stay on pace to complete this successfully. You need to have at least 100 completed correct answers with 5 or fewer errors, and there are 5 hints allowed for you to use today. Now we've expanded the range here as well. You are now going from A to G on your bass clef staff. Let's see what that looks like. Now, looking on here, I'm going to be using notes all the way down here, this first space for A, all the way up to here, my top space for G. Any notes in between these are fair game for me to identify today. Remember that my spaces, A, C, E, G, all cows eat grass, or my lines, G, B, D, F, A, can also be viewed by using hints, and I have 5 of these to use. So looking here, if I have a line, or a note on a line, remember that the helpers only identify the spaces. So I have to do the note between these two, E to G. The note that's missing here is our note here, which is F. So I would answer that here. Looking here, I see all cows eat grass. That would be C, and I'll use my keyboard for that one. And in A, I'll use my keyboard for this one. Now, if you do not complete this before your timer here hits 0, remember to submit your best effort. That's a button that appears on that screen. Remember that if you have over 5 errors, I'd also like you to stop the exercise, hit submit best effort, and then try again. So we want to keep trying until we complete this or we filled up the amount of time that we're supposed to spend on our music activities for the week. But I need to see your submit best effort so I can track your progress along the way, and I know you're doing your best. If you checked off the activity with 100 correct and under 5 errors, make sure you submit your results so it checks off the activity on your ToneSavvy account. If you have questions, please feel free to drop by my office hours or send me an email.